off they go. For a walk in the in the continuing snowstorm. Yeah, she's going to check my tickets, and she's going to get a coffee at the coffee house, and take the dog for a walk. Yeah, sounds good to me. There we are. Been quite the morning. Quite the morning. So now I don't, oh, look at that. Look at the blowing there. Oh, wow. Oh, well. Better her than me. Yuck. Just yuck. Okay. I'll go down and have my afternoon snack. Let's ring my cowboy. Hello, Moose. Grab my coffee. Hang this back up. I really should put this somewhere else for the time being. Maybe I will, so it doesn't ring. No, that's the only one. Okay, I'll put this on top of there. How's that? There, that protects it. Keeps it from ringing. Okay, good. See, that's my normal doorbell. And my new doorbell for Christmas is the cowbell. Okay, so the baby spent the morning down here. I've cleaned up a little, so that's okay. Just have to get Stinky back in place. That's Stinky Skunk. Yep. All right. There's Julia sleeping. Hi, Julia. And I'll finish my Christmas cards. Well, maybe tomorrow, maybe Saturday. That was a few Christmases ago. Yeah. Okay, I guess I should do, since I'm not walking to the store, I guess I will hop on my elliptical and see if I can get some exercise. Maybe.